this video, I'm going to show you how to add a horizontal line inside your Jupyter Notebook, which will help you to divide your Jupyter Notebook into sections. Horizontal line, Shift Enter, and then you write dash dash dash, enter. This is a line, and then enter dash dash dash, Shift Enter, and you will see that there is a line here in a gray looking way. So you can just write in between that the upper section was an exploratory data analysis, and the upcoming section is going to be where I build my model and stuff like that. So this is kind of like breaks inside your Jupyter Notebook, and I will see you in the next video.